Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iOS 18.3 stuck on preparing update. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. When updating to the latest iOS 18.3, some users find that their iPhone stuck on the preparing update screen. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix this issue. So for the first fix, I'll tell you how to delete previous update file. One of the reasons why your iPhone is stuck on preparing an update screen is that the downloaded update is corrupted. Something went wrong while you were downloading the update and that caused the update file not to remain intact. For this, open the Settings app, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find your iOS 18 update file, delete this update, and you're done. The update file will be removed from your device. You then need to head into Settings, go to General, go to Software Update to re-download the update to your iPhone. And you're done. The next method to fix this issue is to check network conditions. Another possible reason why your new iPhone is stuck on preparing update iOS 18.3 is that there are issues with your network settings. Access the Settings app, open General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, hit the Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode to confirm, and you're done. In the next step, you can also try restarting your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and volume down button and hold the power button until the slide to power off option appears. Slide to power off. After waiting for some time, you can press the power button again until the Apple logo appears and your phone will restart again. And you're done. Now for the next fix, you can also try refreshing your network. For this, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap on airplane icon. Wait for some time and then tap on it again. Now make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and try updating again. And you're done. I hope this video will help you fix iOS 18.3 stuck on preparing update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.